guys, so today let's play crazy washing machine. The craziest gift I ever seen. Yeah. Well, strange. All the boxes are blue. The big one is the one that washing machines can climb up. Is that good? The washing machine almost filled. Yeah, it almost filled. I won't shoot until the washing machine starts. Hey, why doesn't my shoots work? I think I am for real. I'll never give up on shooting. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, there it is. There it is. There it is. Yes, sir! We need a 10-second food in this not killing guy. You only have 15 seconds to hide. 5 seconds to hide. I'm gonna hide. Oh! I can just shoot the box. So the washing machine is coming. If it is starting to get too strong, the one must be or three must be strong. Or the three of the teams are too strong. Okay. I think I'm cooked for you. Yeah, they are pushing it forward. Guys, they're pushing forward! Oh my god, they're pushing forward! Guys, I see the washing machine. They're pushing forward. I should keep hitting it forward. Guys. Whoa! Find the way out of this level. I already know the way. That's strange noise. That is great. No XP. I already saw that before. Just a check. That explosion. He's good. I almost fell into the lava. I always found a way to win. Yeah, this is way to win. Oh, why am I doing this? I'm so late. Yes, sir! Bye, guys! See you in the next video when I jump into the lava. Bye, guys!